dancing. Oh, no! Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to Snetterton from Modified Live. We're here in the rain, capturing cars leaving. It's going to be moist, it's going to be enjoyable. Oh look, the Corsa B's got his handbrake on. It's not going very fast. Try it without the handbrake. That's it. There you go. Oh dear. Oh look, the Skoda's got dust all over him. He's going to do... Oh, what's the goal? Handbrake? Has he died? Oh, good start! Oh no, he stalled it. Yeah. Makes it. There's the blackness. Don't stall it now. You've seen what your mate's done. Corsa C, a Smart for 4. You never see those. E60 with some rims and some lows and a spoiler and a Sora behind that and the Puma behind that. Oh, there he goes. This was the V8. M4 leaving in the other way. Slippery. The Civic's got all the colours. His mate's got another colour, so maybe she didn't have all the colours. Noisy boy! This is a Proton jump buck. It's got a Mitsubishi Evo 3 engine, and it's a Ute. Sorry about the pitter-pattering. We don't want to get too moist. RS3. Golf R, Bessie afterwards, and a chair. EP3's got his tow hook already. Oh my god, he might have been towed out of a ditch there. M1 Something I is also going the BMW way, doing a bit of slipperage, much like the M4 from earlier. The wheels have been painted to match the badge, or maybe the badge has been painted to match the wheels, or maybe they've both been painted to match the M2 Something I. Well, they don't match the Focus RS. There are about 8 to 10 lights on the front of the ST, following the ST. ASBO number plate, as proven by the noises. Blue ST next up. Oh, it's not an ST, it was a diesel. The next ST is this ST170, Imperial Blue. Symphony of Ford noises. There's a lot of Fords here. And white wheel of the world. Purple MX-5. There was a supercar section here today, hence the 600 LT. The Lexus has been making Chewbacca noises. Let's listen. The 350Z might make Chewbacca noises, but I've been distracted by the RCZ getting eaten away. There we go.
And this video has been sponsored by Ridge and their wallets. This is my forged carbon card holder. It's got enough room for plenty of cards and cash on the back. And at ridge.com/Adam15 you can get up to 40% off for their winter sale, which ends on December the 22nd. This offer applies for the key case too, which is in forged ember, my particular one, but there's plenty of designs to choose from. I love how small and compact my wallet is, and the fact that it is forged carbon. Ridge.com/Adam15 gets you up to 40% off until December the 22nd.
Due to the weather, the cars are going to come out at quite a pace now, with the Advan livery on the aero deck. And the yellow! DMO shifting his way up the road. It's left hand, there you go. Yeah, I'm being filmed, although they can't see much through those windows. GTR is next. More Chewbacca noises there. Twingo! He waves from in his E46. He's gonna, yeah. Oh, it's diesel. Oh my goodness me. There's 3 Series things with the 1 Series behind. And another contender to make Chewbacca noises, the R32 Gold. promise it's not a Ford meet, but there are just quite a few of them. There's a Citroen C2, little pocket rocket. Well, a pocket something. A lunchbox on wheels. Oh! Did an exhaust just come off, or did a valve open? The rain's getting worse. We didn't think it was possible, but it is. It's a Suzuki Carry. He's carrying himself up the hill. Oh, it's majorly moist now. Oh, the Ford badge on the S-Max. The worst thing is I can see blue sky just over there, but the wind's not bringing that towards us.
The coat's not coating anymore.
Your coat doesn't coat.
I've just got a white, wet side.
There's a purple chessboard on the Astra. The Audi was in the middle of the rows. That was a slide from the Astra. Do you think a handbrake was in the SUV? No? Oh, it's four-wheel drive, of course. Sorry, I had a momentary brain fart.
I haven't seen those nothing.
M2 something I, and the E6 is going to attempt something. It's coming, it's happening. An attempt was made! Next around the block, got the Golf at GTI. We have a Ford Ranger. One wheel peeling up the road. ST. E46. But look at all the hands! And a splash of pink on the E46 Compact. There we go. Jaguar F-Type S V6. Chewbacca noises. Six Series got a little wiggle on, there's a Clio. But next is an RX-7 departing. Didn't even see that in the show. In case you forgot, everyone loves a white chaser, and the only one of the show is coming this way, as well as a mic with a colour flip bonnet and some arches and white wheels, because he's white wheeling the world. And there's something on his aerial running. No Money Club. Bye! Everyone loves it! They know, they love it too. Oh look, the Max Power 106! What a combo, white chaser and a max powered vehicle. Are they neons? I can't work it out. Oh, Lexus. Manuel. I think the rain stopped for now. Let's put this down. Oh, the Nova's making an entrance as the Lexus makes an exit. Yellow Cupra. There he goes. And the Bathurst VXR8. I've seen him wiggle before. He's sensible in these conditions. VXR next. Ooh. You can hear the turbo out there. RS23 is stalking Tesco's. And an ST's following behind. So's the Fiesta. With a PS13 behind. He's been a thumbnail here before. He did a little bit more than that. 350Z's turn. Sounds like traction control's still on. Oh. Yeah, it is. S5's being careful. Ish. Brave wheels on the Fiesta, matching the Rover MG that was in front. It's turbos. I was filming the 350Z. There you go. Oh, the PS13 was trying to get involved as well. Nice. Oh, an R36. What's that? Could have made Chewbacca noises, but it was too quiet. Oh no, they'll be coming. Everyone's going to be... Yeah, I was going to say everyone's going to be sensible now because the police are just like 5 cars behind. Though we've had a few sends from BMWs recently, this 5 Series will not provide today. Bam, bam, bam. Bam, bam, bam. Wowzers. IS200, Evo behind. Oh, little slides there. Evo 4. Next to depart is a Mark III Supra with an E36 behind. There we go, he's doing a slide of he's burning it out. Now if you take your foot off the brake you'll go faster. It's normally how it works. No, off the brakes. Let's see how well the RX-8 does. His exhaust has burnt off some of his rear bumper. The Polo enters about 5 hours too late. This Mitsubishi was sliding around in the background, so he's one to watch. Or maybe he wasn't one to watch. Noisy boy. The Clio's trying his best. The Volvo's dancing. Nice to see a Volvo that isn't an estate. And it's got hydraulic suspension, of course. Although only on the rear, it seems. Oh, look, it's a Bentley, but it's not. It's a Passat, but it's basically a Bentley. It's got the wheels. He was hanging out the window and then immediately entered whilst he joined the public highway. A devilish departure from the 1 Series, and another Lexus IS200 behind the Polo. He's going to use his right foot in a sec. Here he goes. Extreme use of the right foot. Oh look, a flyby. Are we going to get accelerations from the Tesla? Yes, we are. I was too busy having fun to watch the Civic. That was cool. Hello, ISF. V8 slides up the road. Who's revving in the... It's the Fiesta, of course it is. So very eager. We got noises from the Seat behind. Golf's revving as well. Through the R32 pipes. Oh, he slows. Okay, yeah, we heard it. Oh, right, he's gonna fly up the road. Try turning. There you go. You've done it. Oh, the Nova's back. Yes. Oh, Safia Cosmo. Evo X for excellent departure, sir. However, was automatic. Fairly quiet R34. Ah, yes, that viscous LSD, not quite LSDing as much as it should do. Subaru Estate. Whoa! No one expected that from the CLS. I kind of expected that from the Audi. What about the Crown? Yeah, sensible. Also, this M1 something I is manual. And a spoiler on the Astra VX. Stoller's getting ready. Here he goes. Civic Sidecar. FNR, we missed the shift. RX-8 next. And another FN2. It's a quiet one. He's dropped something. It's the most expensive number plate of the day. Lotus Evora. This Civic is actually brown. A really dark brown, that FN2. Factory colour. Sorry, I was talking over the Civics. Hope you didn't mind. Bye, Rob. Bye. There it is. Rob's going. There must have been between 10 to 15 R8s here today. And a lot of them were manual Gen 1s. All the Porsches are leaving together, starting with the 992. Next is the 996. Then we have the 991 and a 997. There you go. The Kia is revving, just thought I'd let you know. Revolutions from the Kia. Oh, clutch. I bet he goes the other way. Oh no, he does. Oh, no. I was just thinking he's going to go, no, turn around, yes. Do a body tighter and turn around. No. Every now and then I fall apart, especially when thumbnail cars go the other way. We've got the 20s on the R8 and a Leaf hanging from the side of it as well. The Leaf is also bronze in colour. Excellent departures.
automatic as well. The next supercar to leave Modified Live is a LP560 with a spoiler. There's the downshift. The Astra had something sticking out the bonnet. It was a screamer. Yes! Ferrari's sending it. We got a Z-Tech with an ST engine, Texaco livery 2, tyre icing, splitter, and the spoiler. Let's listen to the raspy V8. Yes! Number plate spells the truths. I'm physically shivering from the coldness of the damp on me. Yes. Open diff. And the next car to appear is this Colour Flip 350Z. The final. Whoa, noisy boy. She's so good at playing her brass band with that car. Oh, it got sideways the M3 around the corner there. M1 Stop Me Eyes next. We're waiting for the E92 M3. I think that was pretty much that after the Exige heads off. So they were the cars leaving on Modified Live at Snetterton. It's crazy, the sun's out. Just sums up England in a nutshell. We had boring rain and now we got slightly warm sun. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Go follow me on Instagram for the updates, highlights and pictures I take at these events. But for now, thanks for watching. Sending it. Look, there he goes. Noisy boy.